Having trouble with Tesco app authorizations? You're not alone. Since 2023, increased security measures like 3D Secure, now part of Strong Customer Authentication or SCA, can cause hiccups. This video breaks down why you might be seeing authorization not working errors. Basically, it boils down to how the payment is processed through the app. The app validates your card, and this triggers a 3DS SCA. Then the bank checks the information you provided before finally the authorization is approved. Let's look at the overall secure online payment process. It starts with the customer buying from Tesco through the app, initiating 3D Secure authentication. The process begins with the app validating your card details. This is the first step, where the Tesco app checks the information you entered. Next, it triggers 3D Secure or Strong Customer Authentication. This requires additional verification, such as entering a PIN, SMS code, or using biometrics. Then, the bank performs a check on the transaction. This includes verifying your account balance, transaction history, and checking for any fraud flags. Finally, if everything checks out, the authorization is approved and your payment goes through. If there's an issue at any step, you'll see the authorization not working error. To understand this in more detail, here's the payment authorization process broken into three main steps: data collection, authorization verification, and settlement. Understanding this payment process helps explain why authorization issues occur in the Tesco app. Now that we know the basics, we can move on to specific troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your Tesco app is up to date. Updates often address SCA compliance issues. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily, as it can disrupt bank verifications. For 3D Secure problems, make sure your device is compatible and that you've enabled app permissions for notifications, which are needed for authentication. If the bank check fails, double-check your card details and ensure there are no bank-side outages. As a last resort, try manual card entry. Take advantage of Tesco's retry mechanism. If the first attempt fails, try again, as many issues resolve on the second or third attempt. If the issue still persists, contact your bank to whitelist the card and for more support and help.